In Appy's website builder, we do have a dating feature. What you simply need to do is add that dating feature into your website. And once you have done that, you can start testing your progressive website onto your browsers. You'll see we have added the geolocation feature in there. So if you are a male who is looking for females, you'll be only able to see those females in a specific distance or in a specific radius that you have allocated in the backend. Once you like a person, you can keep on swiping, and if you like a person, you swipe right, and if the other person gets a notification then, and if they also approve that request from you that has been sent out, then you guys are actually connected to each other. Then you can start having a conversation. And we do also have a feature to monetize this. So once a connection between a male and a female is made, you could actually charge your customers for having that communication, to and fro communication. So we have taken the liberty of adding those tutorials for you with which you can create your own dating website using Appy's website builder.